Hello, this is Akim Hamlet, iTech 285, client server technology with Android Cadogan, and in this video I'm going to set up an HTTP server. Now an HTTP server is a server that speaks over the HTTP protocol through port 80. This protocol is mainly used for talking over the web, and that's why it's best used for web pages and websites. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to install the Apache HTTP server, which will host the website, and I'll configure it, and then of course access it from a web browser. So first thing you do is you go to the apache.org website and you download the installer, which will most likely be an MSI file, a Microsoft installer. Okay, I already have it downloaded, so I will just start it up. Right, next, accept terms and license and agreement. Next. Alright, now in this part, if you are connected to a DNS server, you just type in your DNS, your domain name, and you type in your server name, and your email address. I think is mandatory. So server name, Akim, is with Akim Hamlet at yahoo.com. Yeah, my email address is mainly used as a sort of a contact point between people who use your website and the administrator. Let's say if it goes down, they will have a way to contact the administrator and tell them their problem. So, okay, next. Wait, forgot the domain name. Alright, since I don't have a DNS server, I will just name it my IP address. 2.168.2.107. Alright, next. Alright, typical installation. Install, and we'll install. It would not take too long, so I don't think I'll have to pause the video. If I have to pause the video, I'll just edit it. Okay, so now it's checking all the services. That what the command line screen is mostly for. Yeah, and it has successfully crap. Alright, so now it's installed. We just start up the service, which has already started. So now we have a working web server. So what I'm going to do now is go into ipconfig and get my IP address. Okay, ipconfig. Okay, so this is my IP address here. Okay, so now I'm going to contact the web server. Alright, so to do that, type in the protocol http ://192.168.2.107 port 80, enter, and it works. Okay, so this is confirmation that the web server is working. Alright, now in the program file for Apache, where that it works web page comes from is from, 1 minute, C, program files, Apache Software Foundation, Apache 2.2, htdocs, index. Now this is the index file. This is the file that comes up whenever you access the server, whenever you access the HTTP server. Don't delete this. Alright, you'll get a lot of problems deleting it. So anytime you want to host any web pages, you make a web page and you put it in the htdocs file. Okay? There's ways to configure it and to edit it and stuff, but we'll do that some other time. Alright, so as you can see, contacted the web server, it works, and that's about it.